Bay window is installed just a little bit differently than a standard replacement window. In a standard replacement window installation, we leave the original buck frame of the window and we insert the replacement window into that buck frame. With a bay window, we have to gut the opening back to the original framing of the house. That way we can anchor directly to the stud walls of the home. So by ripping this out, we're gonna tear out the existing window back to the studs. We're gonna make sure that there's no wood rot or structural damage, and if so, we'll have to fix that. Then we're gonna install the bay window into that opening, and this is where the installation becomes a little more standard. We're gonna cap the outsides, we're gonna insulate the window, we're gonna stop the outside of the window, and we're gonna cap it, and then we're gonna trim out the inside of the window. As with all of our installs, we are going to prep the job. We're going to put down tarps. We're going to tape off anything that needs to be taped to move furniture. After we're done with the installation, we are going to roll up the tarps. We are going to dust and vacuum and make sure that we leave the home cleaner than it was when we got there. There is a difference between a bay window and a normal window, A being that it does project at an angle outside the exterior wall of the home, again, usually at 15, 30, or 45 degrees. Outside of that, the windows that go into a bay window can be anything the customer chooses, a picture window, a double hung window, or a casement window. So there are many options.